Self Nitish. As usual, we are for today video number 8. Till video number 7 we completed. This is video number 8, that is part 8, quantitative surveying and contract management. Okay, we'll concentration today also on the estimation of road work. Okay, we'll concentration today also on the estimation of road work. I hope all are aware of the different design details which will come under road work. So now we solved in the last class. We solved one problem, which is estimation of the quantities of the earthwork for a portion of a road. That this problem we are already concentrated in the last class. Now I will concentrate one more problem today. Say number 2. We'll say number 2. Okay. Maybe it's not. Maybe 3. But it's number 2. That's all. Okay, now determine the quantities of earthwork for a proportion of. Determine the quantities of earthwork for a portion of the road between chainage 0 to 10. 0 to 10. From the following data, length being measured with a standard 20 meter chain. Okay. So chainage is given 0 to 10 chainage. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each, actually one chain meter is a 20 meter length. So 0 to 1 meter means 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200, 220. So the formation level from 0 chainage is 230. The formation level from the 0 chainage is 230. Means last problem which we solved same as it is 230. Okay. So now, and this is 0 chainage is 230. So now the road is riding gradient of 1 in 200. The road is rising gradient of 1 in 200. Okay. So the width of the formation is 8 meter. The road width is, the formation width of the road is 8 meter, and the side slope in the banking it is 1.5:1, and cutting it is 1:1. The lateral slope may be ground, may be assumed as usual as the level. So now you got it that the ground level above datum or ground level, you can say 231.1, 231.2, 230.9, 231.2, 230.8, 230.7, 230.6, 230.4, and 229.1, and 229.5, and 229.7. So now this is the problem. Are you getting the problem? So here see, the road chainage is given 1 to 10. The one chainage is equal to our one standard 20 meter chain. One chain is equal to 20 meters. So total 10 chainage means 200 mostly. We'll see. Now while doing the problem we will come to know how to solve it. So now I'll take a pen. I'll draw it somehow. I'll show you the ground profile. Okay. Somehow I'll show you the ground profile. So now see here. Just concentrate on which I am going to draw. So here, this is the datum line. Okay. Think that this is the datum line. Now, datum line we'll consider for this is above datum line. We have to show that is what ground profile. So now 231 is there. Now we'll consider around 225 or 227, whatever it may be. 225 0.000 we can consider as a datum line. Now from there we can start the of a line, right? We'll write it in the side so that we can write it easily. Our datum line is 220.5.000. Now what is the first line indicates? It indicates from 225 it should be straight, please understand. This is 231. Okay, now this is 0 Chinese 1, Chinese 2, Chinese 3, Chinese 4, Chinese 5, Chinese 6, Chinese 7, Chinese 8, Chinese 9, Chinese 10. So now 0 Chinese, your ground line is 231. You can see it here, no? 231, which I marked here for 231. That is 225 plus 6.1, 231. Now again first Chinese it is 231.2. It will go little up, isn't it? From there. So now again 230.9. It will come below of the both. Again 231.2, same as Chinese number 3, isn't it? Again 230.8, same little below than this. Okay, 5 Sun 230.7, again little below than this. 6 230.6, again little below than this. 229 point, again little below than the number 7. 230.4, again little below. Again 229.1, again little height. Right. This is what I drawn the line, ground profile line, which is above the datum line. Which is datum line I simply considered as 25 to represent for you. Especially I wanted to represent to you that now I'll join the line. It should be a straight line. I'll join the line. Okay. I'll join the line. This is actually here. Sorry, little problem of regarding this. The ground profile look like this. Okay. So now, what they told in the problem? They told that the formation level is 230. Okay, we'll take the another line, another color. So for you better understanding. Okay. So now your formation line is 230, isn't it? What is the first? That is 0. At the 0 Chinese. At the 0 Chinese formation level 230 means at the 0 Chinese your here it is actually 231.1. So on 231.2, 230, so on. So now here 230. Here it is 230. 230 means it will come below 231. Here it will come, isn't it? It will come here, somewhere here, 1 meter or 0.9 meter below it will come. Clear? And the rising gradient, it has a rising gradient. Please remember, it has a rising gradient, not falling gradient. In the last problem we had a falling gradient or downward gradient. Now it is rising gradient. Rising gradient we have 1 in 200. They are not mentioned for the problem has not mentioned which the signage till where, so that we are considering 1 in 200 till the signage of 10. Till the signage of 10 we are considering. Okay, so we will drop 1 meter down, and we have 1 in 200, that is every 200 meter, 1 meter rise. Then every 200 meter it is 1 meter rise. From here, if you take straight line, if you consider straight line, every 200 meter 1 meter rise. Okay, thinking that here, then this will be your slope. That is 1 in 200. That is rising gradient, so I raised. If it is falling gradient, then it will be fall downward. So this is your 1 meter rise. This is your 1 meter rise. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this? No, right? This is your 1 meter rise. So now some portion are cutting in, some portion are in filling. So this is not in scale. This is a freehand sketch. I don't know whether where we are getting the exact cut, banking and cutting. Okay, where we are getting the negative answer, from there we are getting the cutting and banking. Okay, positive will be banking and cutting will be negative. So I'll highlight it by, so this portion is under banking. This portion is under here. This portion is under banking. Okay, this portion is under banking till here. Okay, till here. That is not their upper one. And this portion is in cutting. This portion is in cutting. Below the line. Formation line means road line. Okay. This portion is in cutting till here. So this is what the type of cutting and filling. Will now, that means every 200 meter, if you 1 meter rise, then every 20 meter how much rise? That is 1 meter rise. Every 20 meter, 20 by 200. 20 by 200 is how much? 0.1 meter. So this will be 0.1. Every 30 meter 0.1. For example, if it is a straight line, right? If it is a straight line, here it is 0.1, here it is 0.2, here it is 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1. So that is a straight line where we are drawn here. So that is what your line, how it will look like. So now here it is, the depth is 0.1. Here it is, depth is 0.2. Here it is 0, right? Here the depth is, for example, this is straight line. Here the depth is 0.3. Here the depth is 0.4. Here the depth is 0.5 till here it is 1 meter. So that is what the rise. Clear? So this is the problem which we are solving now. So this is what mentioned here. The elevation formation level is 0 in 230. Now every 1 meter rise, so that every 20 meter rise we will get 0.1 meter rise. Right, every 20 meter we are getting 0.1 meter rise. That I already discussed with you guys. Every 20 meter 0.1 meter rise will be there. Okay, that 0.1 meter we'll consider now. So now your chainage is I'll highlight it in the yellow. For the this is zero chainage number 1, chainage number 2, chainage number 3, chainage number 4, 50 meters if chainage number 5, so on 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That means 200 meter. 0 to 100, 20 meter, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Total 200 meter length, one chainage. So now we'll go to a ground line, that is ground line. Ground line. For zero chainage, your ground line is 230.1, isn't it? Your zero chainage ground line is 230.1, and your first chainage it is 231.2, and it is 230.9. Okay. Again it is 231.2. Again it is 230.8. Again it is 230.7. Again it is 230.6. Again it is for the 7th chainage it is 230.4. 8th chainage 229.1. 9th chainage 229.5. 10th chainage it is 229.7. So this is about ground line. Our RLF formation level. Now you are just see the figure. RLF formation level. What happens? Very important concept. Now RLF formation level. See that RLF formation level is 0 at the first. 0 at the first. That means 0. 230 meter in the first. The RLF formation level 0 chainage it is 230. Right. RLF 0 chainage 230. After that what happens? 0.1 meter it is increases. That means here it is 0. Here it is 0. That means your RL is here 230, right? Here it is 230. Everywhere it is 230, right? Till here it is 230 because this is straight line which I drawn. But formation level will be 1 in 200 slope. 1 in 200 slope. Slope, this is actual formation level. So now 0.1 is here, right? So that is 230.1. This is 230.2. This is 230.3. This is 230.4. So on. This is 231 because this is 1.0, right? So it's 231. That is what we did here. Every 0.1 meter rise will be there. Every one chainage there will be a 0.1. So that is 230.1, 230.2, 230.3, 230.4, 230.5, 230.6, 230.7, 230.8, 230.9, and 1 meter last, that is 231. So now if we are getting the negative answer, that is banking. If you are getting positive answer, that means you have to fill it. That much amount you have to fill it. This much amount you have to remove it. So that is negative and positive. Okay. So till here we are getting banking and till here we are getting, sorry, this till here we are getting cutting, and here we are getting banking. Banking is positive and cutting is negative. Okay, now we'll go to the difference. If your depth is equal to RL minus formation, RL of formation minus RL of formation minus this. Okay, so that is this minus this. So now depth is 1 meter, sorry, 1.1 meter, because 230 minus 230.0 minus 231.1 is equal to 1.1. 230.1 minus 231.2 is equal to minus 1.2. Whichever the answer you are getting, that is under cutting. We have to remove this soil. Okay, this is minus RL of formation minus RL of ground level. Okay, RL of ground level. Okay, okay. So now you just look at the figure. If required, I'll just highlight it separately, so that you'll come to know that is banking and that is cutting. Okay. Banking and cutting. Okay. So now this is of your 0.3, 1.7, 1.4, 1.3. This is your total difference between cutting and from 6. I don't know figure. From 6 it is started here. We have correctly did the, actually if it is freehand sketch also, in the 6 we are getting 0. Here also in figure also we got 0 here. That is one very good achievement what I did in the freehand sketch. Okay, now this 0.3, 1.7 will be, after that it will be this will be your banking portion. Okay, that's all. Now we'll go to column. Now we'll go to a column, very simple, that is distance, because 0, 30, sorry, 1 chainage means, this is chainage, 1 chainage means 20 meters, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. So depth, you know that we have got the depth, that is this is the depth till depth is of in the cutting, and this is the depth of banking. So now separately you draw, write in the column. Cutting column, here you do, banking column separate and cutting column separate, you can do it. So cutting column, if you take this, is you take cutting column. So now you can do separately of this. Cutting column. Okay. So now if you take, this is under cutting. So now here mean you have to take from here to here. It is, if you take mean 1.1 plus 1.1 divided by 2 is, you know that dm. If you take mean, this is dm. This is mean depth method. Okay. So now this is 1.1. 1.1 plus 0.7, that is 1.8 divided by 2. That is last problem which we solved. Again from here, that is the average you are taking, that is dm average 0.8, 0.65, 0.3. Okay. So BD means B is equal to 8 meter. 1.1 into 8, 8.8, 0.9 into 8, 7.2, 6.4, 5.2, so on. So that is B into depth dm. So again SD square. S is equal to, for banking is different and cutting is different. So S you have to take 1.5 for banking. So now the top one is cutting. So you are taking 1. Top one is S. So you are taking 1. So that is dm square is equal to 1.1 into 1.1, that is square, multiplied by 1.1. 1, that is S is equal to 1. So that is, you multiply d square, dm square means 1.1 square into 1. 0.9 square into 1. 0.8 square into 1. 0.65 square into 1. 0.9 square into 1. So on. Add both the column BDM plus SD square. So that this answer you will get 10.01. Total 2.49. Multiply the length. Each signage length is 20. So you will get the answer is 200.2, 160.2, 140.8, 112.4, 49.8, 16.2. This is the answer you will get for cutting. So now the total you are getting 679.40. You are getting the total volume for banking. So now next one, if you concentrate, that is cutting. Cutting portion is again same. Depth we got it from the, here you got it here, the depth, here we getting depth. So 0.1 difference, 0.15, 1, 1.55. These all are negative, right? These all are negative, so that you can mark also. If required, you can mark. It's not required. Cutting in means negative and banking means positive. Okay. So now again same. From here only you have to take the average. So here the 0.2 plus 0.1, 0 plus 0.3 divided by 2, 0.25, and 0.3 plus 0.17. So 2 divided by 2, 1. So on. This is the mean depth. So now you multiply 8 for this dm. So you will get this answer dm 1.28, 12.4 and 10.8. Okay. So now again if we concentrate 0.01, that is SDM square, where S for the banking it is 1.5:1. 1.5:1, that is 1.5 you have to take. 1.5, that is your mean depth, 0.1 square multiplied by 1.5, that is 0.01. So that's on. You can multiply and get the answer. Okay. So that you add both the columns, so you will get this answer, and multiply with the length, that is 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. You will get 24.6, 190, 320, 280. So total banking will be 805.2. That is 805.2 square. Total banking you will get it. So that is what your problem which we are going to discuss. This is the total method we followed. This is the method we followed for mid-sessional method. That is mean depth method. Only we are doing this. Now we'll concentrate on another type of the problem. Hello. Here, sorry for the 2 minutes gap. It's a technical issue faced him. So we'll move on to another problem that is which also one of the important problem here. Yeah. Here there is a one more important factor here. Just I'll read out the problem first. One of the important consideration we have to do that. Prepare a detailed estimation for an earthwork for a portion of a road from the following data. The rate of earthwork in the excavation is 88. See this, they are mentioned the rate actually, so that you have to multiply the rate. See that 80 rupees they told for the excavation of 80 rupees per cubic meter cube, that is for the banking. Sorry, by cutting it is 80 rupees, and for banking it is that is excavation means removing, excavation means cutting, that's all. So excavation means cutting, it is 80 rupees, and banking it is 60 rupees, because cutting little costly and banking little cheap. So that whatever the total quantity you are getting, that multiply with 80 rupees, then you will get the total cost of the particular amount. So that is one thing. That the distance in the meter 0 to 100, each interval will be 100 meters, then 200, then 300, then 400, then 500, then 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200. So RL of ground level is 114.5, 114.75, 115.25, 115.2, 116.1, 118, and 117.85 for 600. 118.25, 118.1, 117.8, and 117.75, and 117.9, and finally it is 119.5. So this is about the ground RL of ground, actual ground profile. But we have to construct the road on that. The formation, the load line is the RL of formation, that is 115.0, and 100 also 115, and from 200 it is upward gradient of 1 in 200. Okay, from here upward gradient means here, that is 200. So 200 to 300, 100. So now here it is, see that 200 to 300, 100, plus 300 to 400, 100. So here to here 100, plus here to here 200, 300, 400, 500. That means total 500 meter upward gradient of 1 in 200. That is 1 in 1 for 200 meter 1. Then for 500 meter how much? That is 200 divided by 500. If you do, you will get the this is the rising gradient curve. So here again come to here from 800 Chinese. This is again same 800 to 900, 100, 200, 400, 500 meter 1 in 400 gradient. So this is the two gradient. There is two different gradients are there for the total distance. So now here the width of formation 10 meter and side slope is 1.5:1 and 2:1 for the banking as usual. Draw a longitudinal profile and show the details required. So I already drawn the last row problem. That is same called longitudinal profile. First we'll draw the longitudinal profile of the ground. So how to draw? Before going to draw, we should know that I already then told that there will be every 100 meter every 100 meter rise will be there, because RL of formation 0 to 100 it is 0 and 100 is 115, but upward gradient up to 700 meter from 100 it is every 200 meter 1 meter rise. So that there will be a, see that in the problem from here 115 1 in 200, that means every 1 in 200 every 100 meter 1 by every, therefore for every 100 meter, 0.5 meter rise will be there, and the downward gradient 800 meter, every 400 meter 1 meter drop. So every 100 meter 0.25 meter drop will be there, and here 0.5 meter rise, because it is a rising gradient. Here they are told upward gradient, and it will be downward gradient. So if I mention, if you are not getting properly, so that from here to here it is rising gradient, right? So total distance is, this is a rising gradient. Gradient I already drawn. Actually gradient I should not draw first. If you take pen, so this is total distance. How much? 100, 200, sorry, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 500, right? So here starts, the rising gradient starts, so that this is every, like this it will be there every interval. So here it is 0, total 500. So now here what happens? How to calculate the this distance? That distance is equal to every 200 meter 1 meter rise. So then 500 meter, how much it will be rise? That is 500 divided by 200. 500 divided by 200, if you do, you may get 2.5. That is 0.5 every meter. Your 0.51, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So on you will get. So 0.5 meter rise you will get every 100 meter. Same way you will get a drop here, 0.25 meter every 0.25 every 1 meter you will get the rise. Drop till 0. So this will be the your concept. Alright, this is the concept of that problem. So now we'll in the problem we'll get complete the idea of this. So now first we'll draw. This is your ground profile, isn't it? This is your ground profile. You know that RLF. This is the 11.4 here. The white color line you are not able to see properly, so we'll draw a red line. We'll draw a red line for a road, that is actual ground line. You know that how to draw the ground line. I already told in the in numerous problem. So it's actually should be straight line. This is your ground line which I am drawing. Please concentrate on that. This is the ground line which we are drawing according to the ground line which mentioned in the problem, according to the ground line. And this is here that every 0 meter 114, this will be 114, and this is 114.75, this is 114.75. Now, and your see here both will be same. RLF formation line for 0 and 100 it is 115, isn't it? So now I'll take one more line for this. This is RLF formation line. This is RLF formation line. Clear? Right, now see that please see here sum of the portion. See here, but here how to, this is, I hope you are knowing how to draw this. From here, see from here, 114 point, they are mentioned that 115 and 115. Okay, this is 115 and this is 115. But you know that the RLF formation 115 for here. From there, here it is 115. After that there will be a 0.5 meter rise, because they told from here, from 200 to 700, 0.5 meter rise. There will be a ground upward gradient, 0.15, again 11.5 plus 0.5, 116, again plus 0.5, again plus 0.5, again plus 0.5, again here plus 0.5. So that is 118. And here if you consider here, again minus 118.25, that will be a downward gradient of 0.25 drop. Now it's a downward gradient of 0.25 drop. So that 0.25 drop here, 0.25 drop, 0.25 drop, 0.25 drop, and 0.25 drop. Right. Now your depth, what is the depth? Depth is equal to RLF formation minus ground level. So the answer you will get here, that is 0.5, 0.25, 0.25, 0.8, 0.4, minus 1, minus 0.35, minus 0.25, minus 0.35, minus 0.3, minus 0.5, minus 0.9, minus 0.275. You will get the answer. So this is the negative line indicates your cutting, and positive line indicates your banking. So now when we are drawing this, so please, I will, for the banking, how many, so yellow portion if I draw, if I highlight, because you know that how to draw. See here, from here rising gradient will be there. The gradient will be rising here. If I take eraser, I can draw this is separately. I can draw one more color. So that this is the rising gradient up to here. Straight line. It should be, so there will be a rising gradient 1 in 200. That means from here. It is from here. Okay, rising gradient start from here, not from there. Okay, from here to here, the rising gradient will be 1 in 200. That means every from here 0.15, 0.25, point again 1, it will be increases. Okay, this is your the actual road line, both the line, and here it will getting, here you are getting. So now if I draw a, these all are which coming under, these all are which coming under cutting. So till here you are getting cutting. Okay. And again here we are getting cutting. This is also the portion will be on cutting. But here we are getting small portion is banking. This is filling. This we are going to fill here. So till here we are getting, so that till here we are getting what? Till we are here getting banking, and till from here to, from here to here we are getting banking. You can see that is reflected here, and this is RLF formation level. That RLF formation level, as you know that there will be a, from here again 0.5 increases for every, that line, the blue color line, 0.5 increases till here again, then it will be decreases from here. So this is the profile of the ground which will show the details of this. Now one more important concept here, what to do means, here there will, we are not knowing, it is your all the portions. See that you got it the figure. Now I'll just erase it the figure, all the figure I just highlighted point, I'll just erase it, so that I'll tell one more important factor here. So what happened, actually we are not getting where exactly cutting and where exactly cutting as well as your this one stops. If it exact stop, then no problem, otherwise we have to find the length of that. Okay, so here just see here, I hope you can see it. So now you can see this, right? I cannot highlight it. I can highlight it and I can show you clearly. Wait for that. I just highlight it and show the clear details of this. So here the portion is not correctly ended with this particular portion, so that where it will be, so after behind 400 lines you got cutting. So this is very important, that how can we consider the length factor. So if I give the example, you cannot consider, it is not exactly passing on the chain edge, the line cutting and filling exactly passing on, not passing on the chain edge. So that is one of the important factor we have to discuss now. Okay, so wait, we'll go to see that here from 400 to 500. So from 400 to 500, for example, this is your Chinese. This is take that this is 300 and this is 400 and this is 500. Okay, there will be some 400 to 500. Okay, there will be some, it will be like this. So you are cutting and filling. What happens here? You are cutting and filling. So some of the portions, see, like that it came. So in these cases, this is 500. If the cases are like this, so if the cases are like this, if the cases are in these cases, we cannot say that where exactly the cutting and filling partially distributed. Okay, these portions we cannot highlight it, so that, see, this is the portion, so we should find the length of that, till where, from where, 0 to 400. For example, 0 to 400, 415 maybe. We are not know how from where it will end, cutting will be going to end, from where the filling will be going, where the filling will be going to end and where the cutting will be going to start. So that is what here discussed. Till here, see that till here it is filling. So 400 plus so and so, 400 plus x, and from here this is from here again, if I concentrate from here, from here we'll concentrate. Okay. See, this is 400. Here to here it is 500. Here to here it is 500 plus x. Again same here 400 plus x. Till here it is portion is there. No, so that portion we are not know how to calculate it. So we have one method to calculate for that. We'll discuss in the coming class. Thank you.